Okay.
Testing.
All right.
1, 2, 3, start.
I think the Global Summer School program at Lancaster University is a great opportunity for anybody to come here because the kids have had loads of fun and they've learnt a lot of things.
So Lancaster is a really nice town, peaceful, the people is great, I mean like they're all great, and we felt a sense of belonging on the first day that we got here.
I love the campus, it's really beautiful. The dorms are beautiful, there are rabbits running in front of our dorms every morning. The campus is big. It's something you see in a movie, and when you come here and experience it in real life, it feels really surreal.
I think it was great to see all sides of the UK, you know, modern sides, old sides. It really gives an interesting perspective to this country.
Yeah, I definitely feel much more like a global citizen. I've learned so much from the classes, from the people especially, having conversations with them, learning more about their history, their background. I'm just so grateful that I'm here, so grateful. Even though it's just a short 3 weeks, I've learned so much.
I've made friends with Katya, who is from Italy, and Naomi and Jing Jing. They are from Japan and China. Yes. But coming to this program, now I have lots of fresh ideas that I would like to work on when I get back home. And yeah, I made friends that I hope that those kind of friendships that I made would last for a lifetime.
And we do see that really the ideas, there's really an inflow of gushing through this trip that really helps you to open your eyes.
Growing up, I try to be a very hardworking person, and when I come here, I realize that learning can be so fun.
You come interact with the people, and then while you're interacting with the people, they share their experience and you make up your mind. We don't like bombard you with information, but we bombard you with experience.
I'm not afraid to step out into the world anymore. I'm not as afraid as how I was before. This is giving me the experience that, you know, hey, I can do this. I can go to another country. I can be away from family and I can survive. Yeah.
The jokes, the laughter, the singing, everything. We're just gonna miss you all.
The swapping of snacks and going, ugh, when we both try them.
I love Lancaster!
It's mostly just people. I think people are at the core of everything you do. Not now, even 10 years in the future, you need to have people around.
At the end of 3 weeks, they're more like a more grown person, they have more knowledge and they have more experience. Even if it's just 3 weeks, when they go back, it's not going to be the same.